Hi guys, today in this tutorial I am going to explain you where to put the JavaScript code in HTML page. So totally there are three ways in using that. I am going to show the ways. The first way is writing in head tag, and second way is writing in body tag. Third way is linking from external files. So these are the things, and we can write in attributes also. It is also possible. So I will show you all these ways. So let me create an HTML project in NetBeans IDE. I am using NetBeans IDE, which is very easy to use and very flexible to write the code. So just click on File, New Project, select HTML5, then select HTML5 application, click on Next, give the application name. I am giving the application name as JS. Just click on Next, then just click on Finish. Then a project will be created with an index.html file. So let me clear out that file. I will be writing from the scratch. So first write diversity type, and create HTML tag. Just close it. Create head section, then create title, then JavaScript tutorial. Fine. Now let me create body tag. So this is the thing. Now I am going to create a paragraph. So normally for printing hello world we will write here. Previously I have explained about HTML and CSS in my tutorials, so don't miss it. Please watch them and come here. Before learning JavaScript you need to know about HTML and CSS also. CSS is not that much necessary, but JavaScript is but the HTML is must. So I have printed this. So let me see how it will behave in web browser. So I am just running. So now I am selecting Internet Explorer. So let me run out this. So I am opening it in Chrome. So Chrome is the best browser that uses the latest things. So I'm opening in that. So that's the reason why I'm opening in that. Nothing more than that. So let me queue here. Yeah, it's printed. This is the thing. So now what I am going to do is it is printed. Let me see the code. To see the code, please press Ctrl U, or just right click on that, view page source. You can see here it is printed hello world. Fine. Now what I am going to do is I am going to remove this hello world, and I am going to write here onload. You can write JavaScript in attributes I told. So I am writing in attributes. See what I am going to write. So when onload is done, so this dot inner HTML is equal to where it is. Hello world. Fine. Let me run this. What happens? So just reload this. Yeah, it didn't came. So just I'm going to create an ID for this, that is p document dot get element by ID of p dot inner HTML. Onload document dot get element by ID of p dot inner HTML is equal to hello world. Let me see the output for this. So I'm just writing hi over here. So let me see the output. When I am going to click on the hi, it must be changed to hello world. That's what the code I have written over here. So just change this to this. So let me execute one more time. Yeah, so this is the way of writing the code. This is HTML code, this is JavaScript code I am writing inside of an attribute. So I can also write this in body section, head section. I am showing the first way. So I am going to write this in. So just so here I kept hi over here. So this will be changed to hello world. So to write JavaScript code, we need to create a script tag over there. Then I am going to write here now document dot get element by ID of p dot inner HTML is equal to hello world. Fine. This is the thing what I want to do. So it should give hi in the output screen, but it will give hello world. So let me reload this page. Let me see the code. See, this is the code. Here I have printed in paragraph there is only hi, but it is going to print hello world because this JavaScript code changed the p tag inner HTML to hello world. So this is what happened over there. So what I am going to do is now I am going to write it in head section. So just see it. Now I am just removing this. So now I am going to write in head section. So let me see the output. It didn't change it because the script is loaded before. So the p tag is not loaded, that means the paragraph is not loaded. The script is loaded before the after loading the script it is executed. So at that time the paragraph is not loaded. so the high didn't change. So this is what the reason is. So you can write a script here, and in jQuery, after the whole document is loaded, we are going to write the code over here, so there will be no problem. Normally the script will be loaded from external files and it is kept at last in the body section, so that the HTML pages will load first, then the JavaScript will be loaded, so the users the users can see it clearly. There will be no tension for them. So I am going with the last way. So what I am going to do is I am going to create a JavaScript file. So let me name it as JS index.js. Fine. So I have written over here. So let me remove the script tag. So I have written. Now I am going to link here. So just write script tag, in that use source attribute, then use link the file name. So this is the file name which I have linked. Then close the script tag. Now it's over. Now it's linked. Now let me show you the output. Yeah, it changed. See, this is the file and this is the code for that. The script file have loaded from here. So there are many advantages in loading the JavaScript file externally. The first advantage is the pages can be cached. It separates HTML code and JavaScript code, and reading is very easy. And the very important thing is, when we are going to write like this, if this page is previously opened in web browser, it is kept in a cache memory. So next time when you are using that, it will not go to the server, it will load from the cache memory, so it's very fast. So these are the uses. In next tutorial I am going to show you how to use output, how to print. Okay, how to print on the document. Guys, until then, keep practicing.